The difference that it's made in my life over these last 9-10 months, I've seen me be more open. I'm full of joy now. Hi, my name is Linda DeCure, and I received upper and lower partials with Dr. Boldridge. I was very surprised that I was able to go through all of the fillings that she had to do in my teeth without any pain. Her and her team made sure that I was comfortable, and they would always ask me during the process, "Are you okay?" And so that actually helped ease my thoughts and my pains until I got through it. So when I saw my teeth on the screen, it was frightening. And I was like, we need to get to work immediately. Today I can thank Dr. Boldridge, and I'm excited again about the journey that I'm on. I would recommend Dr. Boldridge to anyone that is considering partials or dentures because he's very thorough in ensuring the things that are best for you as a patient.